Hello friends, hello everyone, my name is Paul, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, and welcome to my new video about this DSP SDR wideband receiver, which is a clone, actually a clone of an original DSP Malachite receiver made in Russia. Many of you and I found that there is a serious problem to receive a shortwave signals with this included short vertical telescopic wave antenna. But I can assure you that there is nothing wrong with the receiver. And today I'm going to show you a trick how to dramatically improve reception on shortwaves, also with this small included vertical wave antenna. So let's get started. Okay, so let me explain where is the problem actually. Whole problem is in impedance mismatch between small vertical antenna and RF input of this receiver. While the impedance of this antenna is high, maybe thousands of ohms, so impedance of the receiver input is only 50 ohms. Therefore, we have to transform thousands ohms to 50 ohms with a small homemade transformer. I tried, made a few of types, but the 49-to-1 Unun looked like the best option. We will need a small toroid core which is made of 43 material and about 40 centimeter long enameled solid copper wire. Also, we will need a piece of PCB board with 2 sockets. In my case, I'm using the F connector because I have a second antenna, and here you can see a complete transformer and the antenna. So I have a vertical antenna with F connector and also vertical antenna with SMA connector. So you need to buy the SMA on the antenna side will be the SMA female, and on the receiver side will be SMA male connector. Both connectors have to be able to solder on the PCB board. The size of the PCB board in my case is, let me check, 15 millimeters, and the length is 33 millimeters, and the toroid core which I use is 13 millimeter in diameter, and inner diameter is 7 millimeters. So the first thing we have to bend 12 centimeters of the wire So here we have a 12 centimeter of the wire, and now we have to bend these 12 centimeters to 2 halves like this. So each half have to be 6 centimeters long. Okay. By the way, I used this wire from an old transformer like this. It was used somewhere in old DC power supply or impulse power supply, and the diameter of the wire is actually 0.7. So this is 0.7 diameter of the copper. Okay, so again, this should be 6 centimeter length. Yeah, that is correct. Now we have to twist these two wires together. So to twist this wire, I will use a screwdriver, battery screwdriver. So just hold this end here, and I will hold this wire on the other side, and okay. So here we can see beautiful twisting of the wire. Now we have to leave about maybe 2 centimeters of the wire from the end. Okay. And now we have prepared the wire for winding. So this is the first turn. The second turn. Make sure that you don't scratch the wire. Okay, we have actually 2 turns. And every turn counts when the wire goes through the hole in the toroid core. So we have a 1 and 2 turns actually now. Leftover of the wire just leave alone like this. And now we have to continue with this long wire to make another 5 turns in the same way. So let's count again. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. So in total 7 turns, and the next one will be lined to the opposite side like this. I hope you see properly. So from this side, from down, up, and through the hole to the opposite side. You see that? And we will start to make another 7 turns to this side. So it's number 1, this is number 2, number 3, and 7. Okay, and Mini 4921 Unun is finished and actually ready to use. This wire will be connected to the antenna. And as you can see on this construction, so the beginning of this twisted wire will be connected to the ground, and this wire on the second turn of the wire will be connected to the receiver. So before grinding the ends of the wires, we should fit this little coil into or on to PCB board, and we can mark the lengths of the wire we should grinding, and here and here. So now we should scratch the wire and put the isolation down from the enameled copper wire. Okay, all ends are clear of the isolation. Now I will cover the ends with a couple of solder, and then I will place this toroid core on its place here on the PCB board. Okay, so let me show you again the final toroid. So here we have the wire for receiver input. This is the wire for the ground connection, and this wire will be connected to antenna telescopic whip. Okay, and finally we can place this toroid on
its place and solder to the PCB board. So we have a ground here. Now the SMA socket. And antenna F connector. But I see that the wire is too long, so I should cut the wire a little. Okay, now it's good. And finish. So you can see that I know it's not ideal, but I'm recording this video and it's not much time for nice looking job, but everything is connected correctly, and now we can test this antenna and this transformer for my receiver. On the final, if you want to be sure that you create this transformer 100% correct, you can make a continuity check, and you can touch the inner pole or inner pin of the SMA connector, let's say from here to the other pin on your antenna, or even better, if you touch the antenna itself or the radiator of the antenna and the pin on the SMA connector, and it should be it should beeping like this. So this is good, this is okay. So now we can be sure that this transformer is okay. And of course, if you measure the ground against the center pole, it will beeping also. This is also okay. This is okay. So now the antenna is ready. So I go out from this building, and I will try to receive something, and I will try to compare signals from the antenna with transformer, and also I will compare signals from antenna without a transformer, and we will see the difference. Okay, I found the place outside, and actually now I have connected original antenna without transformer, so you can see these old signals. I have a Italian station which is picking S2 signal on the antenna without transformer, and now I will change the antenna for the transformer one, and we'll see the difference. I'll try to find something else.
have upgraded their license or things like that. It looks like
Okay, Germany station. This is antenna with transformer. Signal 5. And I changed the antenna. So this is antenna original. You can see this huge difference in signal. And now I change again the antenna with transformer.
This is Delta Lima 1 Yankee Charlie. Delta Lima 1 Yankee Charlie, CQ40, CQ40, CQ40.
You can see the difference.
Delta Lima 1 Yankee Charlie. Delta Lima 1 Yankee Charlie. It's calling the CQ on 40 meters. Listening. Romano Canavese, Radio Oscar, Mike Alpha November Ontario, Romano Canavese. It's very busy, but this is very typical.
This is again this German station signal.
Please repeat your name because I lost your first
Signal 4-5.
This is the L1YC.
Signal 4-5 with antenna, with the new antenna with transformer. And I change again antenna without transformer, and I will wait for the signal from Germany. Okay, here's there, very weak on the antenna without transformer, German station on the antenna with transformer. Okay, this is original antenna. Barely hear you. And I go back to the antenna with this is big difference. Okay, so I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and hope to see you again. Bye bye, 73.